Welcome students. In my previous classes I discussed about sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and today I am going to discuss about sp hybridization. Sp hybridization is observed when one s and one p orbital in the valence shell of an atom mix to form two new equivalent orbitals. So in this case, one s, participation of one s and one p, and they form two sp hybrid orbitals. And in this case you can see that percentage of s character is 50% and p character is also 50%. Okay. In case of carbon, carbon has atomic number 6 in ground state. It has electronic configuration like this: 1s, 2s and 2p, 2px, 2py and 2pz. 2 electrons, 1, 2. So this is actually 2 unpaired electrons in ground state of carbon. Okay. But carbon shows tetravalency. Why? Carbon in excited state, what will happen? You can see 1s, 2s and this 2p, 1, 2, and 1 2s electron, it shifts to, this is 2py, this is 2px, this is 2pz, to 2pz. Now carbon in excited and hybrid state, 1s, 2py, 2pz, these are unhybridized orbitals, okay, and form pi bonds, okay, and this is sp, this is also sp, form sigma bond. Okay. Now in case of acetylene, it has molecular formula C2H2. So I am explaining it. This is C. One s of hydrogen, 1s of hydrogen. This is 2py, 2pz, 2py, 2pz. Okay. Forms pi bonds. Okay. sp of carbon, sp of carbon, this is sp of carbon, this is sp of carbon. Okay. So basically in this case this is sigma bond, this is also sigma bond, this one, and this is also sigma bond, I'm sorry. So in this case the number of sigma bonds 3 and number of pi bond 2, this one. Okay. So you can see C, H, 1 sigma and 2 pi, this is also sigma, this is also sigma, and the angle is 180 degree. The angle is 180 degree. That means it has linear structure of acetylene. So that's all. about sp hybridization. And students, regarding this video, if you have some problems, queries or doubts, then you must send your problem to my comment box and I must solve it in my next class. That's all. Thank you.